Welcome to week 8, question 6, functions with logarithmic terms. So the question reads, the number of people in attendance in thousands at an NCAA women's sports event can be approximated by this function when x is equal to 1 corresponds to the year 2001. Part A asks us to find the maximum number of people in attendance during this period, and we have the range of 1 to 10, so that's from 2001 to 2010. And B asks us what the minimum number of people in attendance during this period is. So we're looking again at maximum and minimum during a period, so we're looking at absolute, max and min, and again to find the critical numbers we're going to have to take the derivative of this function. So we have f at x equals 1000 ln x minus 10x plus 8800. So I'm going to add a little thought bubble here that the derivative of ln x is 1 over x. So we're going to tuck that aside. We're going to need that information. And let's start taking the derivative. So we have 1000, and we have the derivative of ln x, which is 1 over x. The next term we have is minus 10x, and the derivative of that is minus 10. And we have 8800, which is a constant, and the derivative of 8800 then is 0. Okay, so let's simplify this a little bit. We have 1000 over x minus 10. So in order to find the max and min, we're going to set this derivative equal to 0 and solve for x. So 10 is equal to 1000 over x. 10x is equal to 1000. So x must be equal to 100. Okay, so we have to see if that makes sense. So we have x is 100, but our range is 1 to 10. So 100 doesn't fit into that. So that critical number sits outside of the range. But remember, we're looking for absolute max and min, so we need to solve the derivative. Sorry, we need to solve the function for f at 1, which is one end of the range, and f at 10, which is the other. And when we do that, we find that the function at 1 is 8,790,000. And at f at 10 is 11,000 and 2,000. So we can see that at f at 1 in 2001 is our absolute minimum, and f at 10, so in 2010, there is an absolute maximum.